All right, we're going fishing. Crazy conditions, but we'll hopefully get some big trout. Long drive, gotta go. Well, we made the trip to New York. We're fishing. That's the way I look at it. Never know, might be the day. River looks nice and clean. Are you ready to try your luck in a winter wonderland brown trout fishing?
Yep.
Think we're gonna catch something? What'd you catch yesterday?
I caught a big brown trout.
How big was it? Maybe bigger, huh?
This long.
23 inches, 6 pounds. All right.
And it was probably this high.
Yep. Let's see what we get. Signing off. All right, got a fish on. Hey Connor, you want to try to learn a net? Come on down. All right, come here. You need to come down now, I guess, if you want a net.
Oh, do you have something?
Yeah. Put up a pretty good fight. Hold on, stay there, I'll come to you. Hold the net like this, okay? Wait, you get over there. And what you do is when the fish gets close, you bring the net in, okay? Putting up a good little fight out there.
It might be a snag.
That's not a snag. I'd prefer it to be a brown. He's head shaking like a brown. That's 6 pound test, so I gotta
Don't let go of it.
Gotta go easy. Whoa. Alright. Here, move up over there a little farther. Now look, this is your first time netting. When the fish comes, you get that net all the way in the water.
I'm gonna net him.
And listen, once the head goes in the net, you lift straight up.
And then he falls in.
I hope so.
Or he falls out. Falls in or out. It'd be awesome if you call it a Atlantic salmon.
That would be cool, Connor.
Atlantic salmon.
I can't even see my indicator yet. He's still deep. It's a pretty good sized fish, whatever it is. There we go. There's the indicator. Come here, Mr. Fish.
Oh, you got it.
Alright, now hold on. You stay where you're at, okay? I'm going to go like this. Get the net in the water. I think it's a really big brown trout.
Oh,
yeah.
God.
It's a big brownie.
All right.
It's a beautiful brownie. Let's be careful. Big boy brownie. Come down here, Connor. Walk with me. Get the net in the water. Get the net in the water right now.
Got it.
Hold on. Hold on. Go, go. Lift, 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 lift. Oh, you did awesome, Connor. Holy cow, this is a big fish. Sweet. All right, hold the net.
Oh, it's so good.
That's an awesome brown. Let me take the hook out. Hold him right there.
I caught it.
You did a great job. I think that was an amazing job. Okay, hold on. Stay right there. Don't let the fish go. I'm gonna get a weight on him real quick.
I'm not gonna hold it.
Just gonna lift the net up. Hold on. Let go of the net. He is 7 1/4 pounds, which puts him at about 6 3/4 pounds. All right, keep him in the water. Don't let him go yet. Yeah, you are gonna hold him. I want you to get a picture with him.
No, it's way too big.
Hold on one second.
I'm gonna let go. Hold on 1 second.
Okay, don't move. Hold the net up. Hold the net up.
Is it healthy?
Look at that fish. Beautiful hook jaw male brown. Hold it up, Connor. Just. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Gosh.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold him. Don't keep holding him. Hold him up.
I got him.
Hold him up. Don't let him go. Smile. Oh man, are you kidding me? Wait a minute. Smile. Oh crap.
What?
Nothing.
You have battery?
Yeah, my battery died. Alright, wait 1 second.
Down.
Alright, it's the last chance, okay? Ready? Oh well. Battery died on me.
Oh God, what about the camera? Right there.
Alright, let's get him in the water real quick. We'll take a picture like that. What a pretty brown. Alright, got something else on. Doesn't feel like a brown, but I could be wrong. Telling you, it's the tail end of the hole. Will you be able to take a picture with your camera for me? Assuming I get this fish in? Don't jinx it.
It's a good fish?
Nothing like the one I just caught, but... Oh yeah, he's actually small. Real small. He's a little brown, but he's a chunky little guy. Yeah, don't need a net on this guy. It's a pretty fish, though.
Not a bad fish.
Hold on, Connor. Whoop, he's gone. Another guy, doesn't feel like a big one, but it's got that brown head shake. This guy might be that last fish, his cousin or something. Maybe a little bigger. Might be the same fish. I mean, dude, look at this. Pretty fish, little guy though, another little guy. Come here. Settle down.
You think it's tearing them up, man. Yeah, camera's on.
They're small, but they're pretty
Yeah,
fish.
different fish, his lips a little cut out. You know what? Let me look at that fish.
All right, see you later, big guy. Just keep pressure. Hold on, let me get the net. Oh, stop it. Keep your rod tip up. Oh, just don't, only reel when there you go now. Keep your rod tip up. Don't force it. Pull up slowly, pull up slowly. It's a bigger fish, big guy.
Pretty sore.
Hold on. Wait a minute. Hey! All right, stop reeling. Open the bail. Awesome, big guy. Let's see.
Got a fish. I caught a fish.
Yes, you did. Hold the fishing pole real quick.
Might have been the same that I caught yesterday.
No, this one's smaller. This is Connor's fish. Here, Connor. Hold it up and say cheese. You excited? All right, let it in the water, nice and slow. Good job. Give me the pot. Get the net.
net.
Wait till you see what this is, Greg. Get the net in the water. Hold on, it's not ready. Net in the water, Connor.
In the water.
It's a big brown. All right, put him in the water.
I got it.
All right, come here. Just hold the net right there. All right, I'm gonna trade you. You take my rod. Don't let it get wet in the water because it'll freeze. I'm gonna unhook this. Shoot.
It won't come out.
I was just messing around right here. It was like 5 feet in front of me.
You got
Nice brown. All right.
very nice brown, man. You don't have your boga with you, do you?
No, I do. Let's see what he weighs.
I think it's getting tangled, Dad.
Yeah. Hold on. Let me just quick. You know what? It's frozen solid. The boga won't work.
What?
It's frozen solid.
Nice fish.
Yeah. I'd like to get a picture.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, well. All right, here. I'm going to... Connor, you get next to me. Go like this.
Tangled.
Come here. I got it.
Get him up on shore. You don't want to lose him.
Nah.
Right, yeah.
All right, hold on. Stay here, Connor.
Are you really going to pick it up?
Yeah, I'm going to pick it up. You got to learn how to pick these fish up the right way.
Very nice, Chris.
All right, get in with me. Good picture?